Look out. Raindrops keep falling on my head. And just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops keep falling on my head. They keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun. I said, look here, man, and I didn't like the way he got things done. Sleeping on the job, those raindrops keep falling on my head. They keep falling, but there's one thing. Is the next line